Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm creating Karwa Chauth look. It's an Indian festival and married women they are fast days, so it's very special day. So I'm creating today very dramatic look, and I'm adding little bit new products today, and I'm using same old products as well. So I'm not promoting any company. So this is my personal use products I'm using. So guys, you don't use same products what I'm using. You can use whatever you got. So let's begin. So guys, before you start any makeup, make sure you cleanse your face properly. You have to cleanse twice. Normal cleanse first, then deep cleanse, then a toner, then moisturizing, then you apply the heavy makeup. So I cleanse my face already. So I'm using Forever Living Aloe Vera Rehydrating Toner first. So I'm going to put in the cotton bud like this, apply in the dapping way. And let it absorb to your skin at least 1 minute. Second, I'm using Forever Living Aloe Vera Aloe Lotion with the jojaba oil, and this is very good for dry skin. Apply very gently. Don't forget to apply in your neck. Third, I'm using Beauty Glaze Rose Gold Prime Oil. Then gently massage. Don't rub. This helps to dehydrate your skin. This is very good. Then I'm using Max Factor Marshall Glow Pro Illuminator. So guys, you can see this is almost finished. This is my favorite products. Keep it very glowing and very fresh look. Then today I'm using Max Factor Skin Illuminate few prompts. Then I'm going to apply with a damp beauty sponge. So remember guys, apply little bit first, then you can build up slowly. Just apply like a damping way, just damp, don't drag down. Slowly, you just damp it. And if you need more, just add more. Don't apply all in one, because it's become very thick. It takes time, because foundation is the main part of your beauty. You know, the application is if your foundation application is bad, whole makeup will look bad. So it takes time to apply. And leftover just put in your neck. Don't forget to apply in your neck, because we need to match your face and neck skin same. Next, I'm using Maybelline Concealer. So guys, before concealer, if you got black circle eyes or uneven tone or pigmentation, you must apply the corrector first. So today I'm not put any corrector, so I'm applying directly today. I'm using same beauty blend to blend. So stepping way. Next, I'm using Rimmel London Match Perfection Loose Powder under my eyes and little bit in T-zone. Not too much, little bit, very little bit to stop crease under eyes especially. one eyebrow pencil to fill up my eyebrow. So I don't like very heavy eyebrows, so slightly I'm going to fill where I need it. Then I'm going to apply a little bit gel. Normally I'm not apply any gel or anything, only I put the pencil. Today is the Karwa Chauth look, so I will be making a little bit heavier. And from there, slightly. Then in the front, very slightly stroke out. Next I'm using Primark Brow Mix Gel. Little bit slightly. So guys, I done my eyebrow. Then I'm going to clean with concealer. I'm taking very small brush, then apply like that. Same concealer I'm applying my eyelid as well. I keep a very thin layer. I don't want very thick. Then I'm using this beauty blender. Then I'm going to blend. You can blend with a brush, but I'm using small beauty blend, easier. I'm doing eyeshadow application. So guys, today also I'm using same eyeshadow palette. This is the from MORPHE 35G Bones Gold. So I'm using few colors from here. So first shade I'm using very light peach color. I'm going to apply it in my crease. So I'm going to start. So guys, I have got hooded eyes, so I have to work it out. So I'm taking very small amount first, then I'm going to build up. So guys, I'm keeping very light eyeshadow. I don't want to very heavy, because I'm wearing very heavy jewelries and sarees too. I want to keep my eyeshadow as soft and light. Then I'm using peach color here. Then I'm going to apply outer corner. happy for me. So